Hello students, now I am taking to chapter 4th, class 12, physical education for CWS and children with special need yani Divyang. Now we are discussion of the next topic of this chapter. Contains concept of disability and disorder, type of disability and their cause and nature, types of disorder, their cause and nature. Now, disability etiquettes. Next, advantage of physical activities for children with special need. Next, strategies to make physical activities accessible for children with special need. Just now coming for the next topic of disability etiquette. Etiquette means Sistachar. Sistachar means good manners. So just now I am telling about disability etiquettes. Disability etiquettes is a set of guidelines dealing with how to approach persons with disabilities. यानी जिन लोगों के साथ जो दो लोग डिसेबल्ड हैं not doing any good performance without any helpers. Next, before knowledge about disability etiquettes, it is essential to understand certain basic things such as if so someone and has disability do know, assume and he need help. Next, in fact adult with disability, जो adult disabled हैं want to be the treated as independent person, वो भी अपने आप को independent person चाहते हैं. So offer help only and if the person with disability seems to need it. Now I am telling about disability etiquettes. Disability etiquettes is the set of guidelines dealing specify with how to approach person with disability. Before knowing about disability etiquettes, it is the essential to understanding certain basic things such as if someone and he is disability, don't assume help, need help. And in fact adult with disability and want to be treated as independent person. जो हमने आपको बताया कि जो भी एडल्ट वयस्क लोग हैं और डिसेबिलिटी है तो वो चाहते हैं कि ट्रीटेड एज इंडिपेंडेंट पर्सन, वो एक स्वतंत्र व्यक्ति की तरह अपना जीवन चाहते हैं. एंड ऑफर हेल्प ओनली इफ द पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी सीम्स टू नीड इट. Physical contact should be avoided and always speak directly and to the person with the disability, not to her friend. अगर उनके पास कोई person कोई friend नहीं है तो person with disability are the best judge to and what they can or can do, वो क्या कर सकते हैं और क्या नहीं कर सकते. And some disability etiquettes, यानी not just I am coming from general disability etiquettes जो सामान्य लोगों में होते हैं. Number 1, if someone and has a disability and do not assume and need help unless they ask for it. यानी जो लोग इससे पीड़ित हैं वो अपने आप को समथिंग बेटर करने का प्रयास करते हैं एंड ऑलवेज पुट पर्सन फर्स्ट एंड से पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी रेदर देन डिसेबल्ड पर्सन. नेक्स्ट, इट इज़ अप्रोप्रिएट टू शेक हैंड एंड द इंटरेक्ट टू द डिसेबल्ड पर्सन. यानी जो लोग स्वस्थ हैं, जो लोग इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, वो ऐसे पर्सन के साथ हाथ मिलाएं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दें उसको, उस डिसेबल्ड पर्सन को। ऑलवेज आइडेंटिफाई एंड योर सेल्फ एंड अदर विद यू व्हेन यू मीट विजुअली इम्पेयरमेंट पर्सन। जब भी आप किसी भी व्यक्ति से मिलें जो कि विजुअल आपको देख नहीं सकता, उसको अपनी आइडेंटिटी दें एंड अपने बारे में उनको बताएं। एवॉइड एनी एनोइंग एंड एसिड सच एज लर्निंग और हियरिंग ऑफ ए पर्सन व्हील चेयर। Internally, and when you have conversation with a person having difficulty in speech, जो लोग डिफ़िकल्ट हैं, जो कन्वर्सेशन नहीं कर पाते हैं, उनके साथ एंड फैसिलिटी एंड टू टॉक by keeping yourself at eye level of the person who is the wheelchair। और ऐसे लोगों के साथ उनके आई कांटेक्ट करके बात करें जो लोग व्हील चेयर का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हों। व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग टू द डियर पर्सन एंड यू शुड स्पीक क्लियरली। ऐसे पर्सन के साथ हमेशा जो बात करें वो टू बी फ्रंक और क्लियरली करें। ऑलवेज गिव एडिशनल टाइम टू ए पर्सन विद ए डिसेबिलिटी टू डू or you say something. Do not pretend. If you are facing problem or understanding a disabled person, यानी कभी उनको आप बहानेबाजी नहीं करें जो लोग इससे पीड़ित हैं, डिसेबल्ड हैं। Now I am coming for advantage of physical activity for CWSN. Number 1, physical improvement. Next, mental improvement. Next, self-esteem. Next, reduce the level of anxiety, stress and depression. Next, cognitive benefits. Next, improved social interaction. Next, better emotional and psychological health. Next, reducing risk of health complication. Just now I am coming for physical improvement, यानी who suffer, जो लोग सफ़र करते हैं किसी भी डिसेबिलिटी से, just like I am coming from cognitive disability, are most likely to suffer from physical impairment as well. These person have some essential problem with motor skill in hopping, jumping, etc. Involvement of physical activities can help these individuals to develop fundamental motor and physical fitness skill. These activities improve the level of well-being and physical health. Physical activities enhance the hand-eye coordination, flexibility, strength, endurance, and even cardiovascular efficiency. These activities help children with disability to fight back against problems such as obesity and other lifestyle diseases. Physical activities help in maintaining health, their bones density and better overall fitness. Now I am coming for mental improvement. Physical activities are not only good for child's body, but these are beneficial for other mind too. Physical activities improve general mood and wellness of children with special needs. Next, self-esteem. Physical activities are beneficial for children with special needs, and such activities develop with a sense of self-esteem and self-confidence. Interaction and involvement with other students in physical activities and help to give children a sense of accomplishment and confidence. Next, reduce the level of anxiety, stress, and depression. Physical activities may help in reducing the level of anxiety, stress, and depression of children with disability. Next, cognitive benefits. Physical education leads the cognitive skills improvement in children with disabilities. These activities allow them to discover and access strength that cannot be challenged in the classroom setting. Next, improvement social interaction. Physical activities provide ample opportunity for improving social interaction among children with special need. Social relation are development during involvement in physical activity, better emotional or psychological health. Physical activities are beneficial for children with special need and because such activities improve emotional and psychological health. Next, reduce the risk of health complications. Physical activities are beneficial for children with special needs because these activities reduce or decrease the risk of various health complications like high blood pressure, diabetes, and at the same time improving appetite. Appetite means bhook, yani regarding to पेट रोग and quality of sleep. Now we are coming from strategies to make physical activities accessibly for CWSN. CW means children with special needs. Strategies children with special needs or with various type of disabilities such as mental disability, hearing impairments, speech or language impairments, blindness, autism or poor body mechanism, health impairment, etc., have the right to develop their activities in a democratic society through the persons of education. So, the following strategies should be taken into consideration to make physical activities accessible for the children with special needs. Number one, first of all, I would like to medical checkup. मेडिकल चेकअप में हम कहते हैं इट इज़ द एसेंशियल टू हैव द मेडिकल चेकअप ऑफ ऑल द चिल्ड्रंस विद स्पेशल नीड्स और विद वेरियस डिसेबिलिटीज़ एंड विच विदाउट मेडिकल चेकअप a teacher of physical education cannot come to know about the type of disability the children is facing. यानी बिना चेक किए हुए मेडिकल चेकअप के कोई भी फिजिकल एजुकेशन टीचर उस बच्चे के बारे में, उस प्लेयर के बारे में नहीं जान सकता कि वो बच्चा कौन सी प्रॉब्लम से, कौन सी डिसेबिलिटी के साथ फेस कर रहा है. And if we really want to make physical activities and accessibility for the children with special need, we need to understand the type of disability of the children. यानी उस बच्चे को किस प्रकार की डिसेबिलिटी है. नेक्स्ट, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ मस्ट बी बेस्ड ऑन इंटरेस्ट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. Physical activities must be based on the interests and aptitude, ability, and previous experience and limitation of children with special needs. The teacher of physical education should have to deep knowledge of limitation, intellect, and aptitude of children. After that, physical activities can be made accessible for the children with special need for more easily. यानी इन लोगों के साथ अगर हम नॉलेज कर लेते हैं कि उसकी एबिलिटी क्या है, प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, उसका इंटरेस्ट क्या है, तो जो बनाएगी फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ मेड एक्सेस फॉर चिल्ड्रंस विद स्पेशल नीड मोर इजीली, वह आसान हो सकती हैं। नेक्स्ट, इक्विपमेंट्स रिलेटेड टू फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज शुड बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, यानी जो भी हमारे पास उपकरण हैं खेलने के रिगार्डिंग बॉल, बैट, फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल एटसेट्रा। The equipment object related to physical activities should be according to the need of children. These equipments should vary in size, shape, color, weight, etc. These equipments should be according to the capacity and level of children and a child with visual impairments. अगर कोई व्यक्ति देख नहीं सकता है किसी भी इक्विपमेंट को तो should use bright color ball and yarn should be tied to the ball by bring the ball have children's. The various type of equipments must be provided to children with special need. Next, specific environment should be provided, यानी उनको उनके अकॉर्डिंग एनवायरनमेंट प्रोवाइड कराना चाहिए। The area of physical activity should be limited as movement and capacity of children with special need are limited, especially in case of children who have autism, and they must be provided specific playing area, and because they may need more time of relaxation. Light and sound are also vital for making good environment for such children. Next, variety of different instrumentation stages should be used for performing various type of physical activities. A variety of different instructional stages such as verbal, visual and peer teaching should be used, and it can children's the opportunities starting learning and on their own and becoming more independent. Next, rules should be modified according to the need of children with disability, यानी उस खेल के उस एक्टिविटीज़ की रूल भी मॉडिफाई करने चाहिए उन स्पेशल डिसेबिलिटीज पर्सन के लिए। इन द बिगनिंग, रूल्स ऑफ द फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज शुड बी सिंपल, यानी साधारण रूल के साथ उन्हें खिलाना चाहिए, बट लेटर ऑन दीज रूल्स कैन बी मॉडिफाइड अकॉर्डिंग द नीड ऑफ चिल्ड्रन। आफ्टर दैट, कुछ समय बाद उस पर चेंज लाने चाहिए, एंड दे कैन बी प्रोवाइड एक्स्ट्रा अटेम्प्ट और टाइम टू परफॉर्म, और उनको एक्स्ट्रा अटेम्प्ट भी और मोर टाइम उन्हें देना चाहिए फॉर अ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी। They can also be given additional resting time and before doing the next physical activities, और आराम के लिए उनको अत्यधिक समय देना चाहिए ड्यूरिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट प्लेइंग फिजिकल एक्टिविटी। नेक्स्ट, चिल्ड्रंस previous experience must be taken into consideration for making the physical activities more accessible for children with special need. The considered teacher of physical education should have comprehensive understanding and knowledge of children's and previous experience about physical activities.